Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. Today I'm going to show you how you can do group chat on Facebook Messenger while working on your PC or laptop. So without wasting a minute more, let's jump into the video. To start a group chat on Facebook Messenger using your PC or laptop, you have to open a browser like Google Chrome, and then you have to simply log into your Facebook account. Now after that, on the right you will see all your contacts with whom you can have a chat, and then you have to scroll down to the bottom and you will see one option, create new group. So click on that, and then here you can add as many friends as you want to your group chat. So I'm gonna start typing the names. And you can add as many people you want in your group chat, alright. And as you can see, I have created a group of 2 people. So that's all. Now I'm going to send them a message. So yeah, it's written that you created this group. So it means you are the admin of the group as you created this. So that's how you can create a group chat on Facebook, and you can add as many people you want. That was all for today's topic. If you have any suggestions for my next videos, you can mention that in the comment box below. You can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, that has a lot of informational content written by various expert writers. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.